Hey there, craft buddies. I am so excited to be unveiling my new free file library over on the all-new whiskeyandwhit.com. Now, I know I've heard from a lot of you that you want to be able to browse my files, you want to be able to download them, be able to find things later on, and you can't remember what video it's in. I totally hear you. I've been working on this for quite some time, so here is how you're going to access it. If you are already a member of the Whiskey Craft Buddies, there is going to be a password to get into the free file library in your emails. So check your most recent newsletter for me, and that is where the password is going to be. That password is going to change on a monthly basis, so just make sure that you are checking your newsletters and don't unsubscribe because you will lose access to the free file library. If you're not already a part of my email list, you can go to my website, which is whiskeyandwhit.com, and you can click this button up here, which says Join the Whiskey Craft Buddies to access the free file library. You're going to go ahead and fill out the pop-up, hit subscribe, and then I'm going to shoot you an email welcoming you to the Whiskey Craft Buddies and also sharing that password. Once you have the password, you can either click this beautiful big pink button up here, or you can also get to it in the footer, which is this free file library down here. Or if you want to just type it in and bookmark it, you can go to whiskeyandwhit.com/free file library. So once you click there, if you haven't logged in for the month, you are going to get this page which says content is password protected. So you will just need to add the password for the month. So I'm going to do that now. Once you hit enter, it's going to bring you into this free file library. I've got some info up here about how to download, which we're going to talk about in this video. And as a quick reminder, all of my files are free for personal use. So if you plan to sell them at like a vendor fair on Etsy, things like that, not the files themselves, you cannot sell those. But if you want to put it on a shirt, put it on a sign, just grab a commercial license. That helps support me, and it also gives you up to 100 uses. So you can click on this right here and learn more about that. So the first thing here is jump to. So here are all of the different areas in the free file library. It is going to be growing. I am working on getting Christmas all loaded. I've got some fall and Halloween in there, but I wanted to get you guys in there, get your feedback, and let you guys start using it while I'm still working on it. So we can jump to fall or whatever we're looking for, and that'll take you right down here, or you can manually click through and check these out. Now, when you're scrolling through, you are going to see an image of the project, a link right here, as well as more information about the file. If you click the picture or this top link, it's going to take you directly to the Google Drive folder. So say I want this man in the moon. Once my file is open, I'm just going to go up here to the right hand corner. This is on desktop. We'll talk about mobile in just a second. You can hit download, and then you're going to be able to select where you want to save that file. So save where you want to put your printables or your files, name it what you want, so then that way you can find it to upload it to whatever different software you're going to need. Now, beyond just clicking the picture or this top blue button here to get your file, you can also click on the final line here, and that's going to take you to the original post where that was created. So you can go ahead and click on the video. You can see how I originally created it, and if there's a specific tutorial like screen printing, sticker making, anything like that, you can find that video so you know exactly where the tutorial is for that specific project. Beyond the seasonal cut files, we also have a printable section down here. So if you see files coming soon, that just means I'm working on getting things loaded. It is a process. I'm a one-woman show, but I did, like I said, want to get you guys in here. I've got banners here linked, pennants, all of my different party elements, most downloaded templates. So like our wood build plan for our bed, Sebastian's bandana, this Mickey pumpkin. So there are tons and tons of different things already loaded in there. And like I said, more to come. Now let's take a look at this process via mobile so that if you are on a phone, iPad, other tablet, you know what that's going to look like. So this process is fairly similar to what you're going to see on desktop with a few tweaks. So that join big thing at the top, if you need to opt into the email list, is at the top, same process. But then to find the free file library, the mobile version does not have the pink button at top. So you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom, and in the footer, there is the free file library button. It's purple. You can also go to whiskeyandwhit.com/free file library if you want to bypass that. Enter the password. Again, you're going to find that from your email, and then everything is just a little bit more compressed depending on the size of your screen. You can toggle between all the different ones. Same thing, click your picture or click that top line that's blue to download the file, and then the black text is going to take you to the post. So here it's opening in Google Drive. I'm going to click the three dots up in the corner or the download button depending on what yours gives you. And then mine is set to download to my photos, but you're going to want to check to where yours is downloaded and your file is ready to use. I hope this video helped you with any questions you had on my free file library. If you've got more questions, you can always shoot me an email at hello@whiskeyandwhit.com and I will help you out as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting!